Imagine a future where AI helps you make smarter business decisions, faster, more accurately, and with less guesswork. Sounds great, right? But what if I told you there's a hidden risk? As we rely more on AI, we might be losing the very thing that makes us, well, human, our unique knowledge, creativity, and the ability to think outside the box. In today's video, we'll explore this intriguing dilemma. Can AI really enhance our decision-making without turning us into robotic followers? We'll dive into some groundbreaking research that sheds light on how AI is impacting human decision-making, especially in business. The study, Will Humans-in-the-Loop Become Borgs, takes a deep look at what happens when we blend human intuition with AI advice. Stick around for insights that could change the way you think about AI in your business. Here are the 5 best ideas from the paper. 1. AI enhances human performance, but reduces uniqueness. The paper found that while AI helps humans make more accurate decisions, it does so at the cost of reducing unique human knowledge. This is a crucial concept in collaborative environments, where diverse perspectives usually lead to better outcomes. With AI, humans tend to converge on similar decisions, which may hurt innovation and creativity in the long run. For example, when AI advice was applied to tasks, individual accuracy improved, but humans began to lose the distinctiveness of their decision-making, leading to a potential decrease in wisdom of the crowd effects. 2. The pitfalls of AI advice in group settings. Another fascinating discovery is that while AI helps individuals perform better, it can harm larger groups. In group settings, AI advice can cause people to rely too much on it, which reduces the benefit of diverse opinions. This is particularly concerning for larger teams, where collective decision-making benefits from the input of many different viewpoints. The study's simulation results showed that once group sizes reached 7 or more members, the performance of groups relying on AI advice started to decrease compared to human-only groups. In other words, AI advice that works for one person might not work as well when it's generalized for a whole group. 3. Personalization is key to retaining human knowledge. One of the most promising ideas from this paper is that personalizing AI advice can help mitigate the loss of unique human knowledge. By tailoring AI suggestions based on a human's past behavior and individual performance, the system can help retain the benefits of AI without sacrificing human uniqueness. Personalized AI advice can significantly boost both individual and group performance. The researchers found that groups that receive personalized AI advice perform just as well as, if not better than, groups without AI. The importance of AI's certainty. The study also explored how providing information about AI's certainty can help humans make better decisions. When AI can quantify its confidence in a decision, for example, a confidence score, humans are more likely to trust it when it's right and ignore it when it's wrong. In decision-making scenarios, giving users AI's certainty helps them avoid the pitfalls of blindly following incorrect advice. This highlights the potential of AI to become more transparent, allowing humans to exercise better judgment. The future of human-AI collaboration. The big question posed by this paper is, are humans becoming Borgs by relying too heavily on AI? The researchers argue that while AI can significantly improve human performance, it also risks eroding our unique knowledge and creativity. To prevent this, the study suggests integrating more personalized and context-aware AI systems. These systems would not only provide advice, but also learn from the human's interaction, ensuring that humans retain their unique contributions in collaborative settings. Here are the 5 most important lessons for you and your business. 1. Strike a balance between AI and human insight. AI can greatly improve accuracy and efficiency, but relying too heavily on it could diminish the unique value that human insight brings. It's important to strike a balance between AI-driven decisions and human creativity. Use AI where it excels, but always leave room for independent thinking. For example, while AI can crunch data to recommend the best course of action, your intuition and understanding of the broader context remain invaluable in making final decisions. 2. Personalize AI advice. A one-size-fits-all approach to AI advice doesn't work for everyone. Whether you're running a business or working on personal projects, ensure that the AI tools you use are tailored to your needs. By using AI systems that learn from your past behavior and preferences, you can get more relevant, actionable advice. Imagine using AI in marketing, where it can adapt its strategies based on your target audience's specific behaviors, making your campaigns more effective and personalized. 3. Build trust through transparency. Transparency is key to building trust in AI. Whether it's in business or personal decision-making, knowing how confident an AI is in its recommendations can help you decide when to follow its advice and when to rely on your own judgment. For example, if an AI suggests a financial investment but shows low confidence in the outcome, you might choose to dig deeper before making a decision. This transparency allows you to make smarter, more informed choices. 4. Don't let AI replace diverse thinking in teams. AI is powerful, but it's crucial not to let it stifle creativity and diverse thinking, especially in group settings. When working with teams, make sure that AI is used as a tool to enhance discussion, not replace it. Encourage diverse opinions and individual contributions. In brainstorming sessions or problem-solving meetings, use AI to provide data or options, but make sure that team members are still contributing their unique perspectives. 5. Stay educated and adaptable. AI is constantly evolving, and so should you. Staying informed about the latest AI developments and learning how to best integrate them into your work will keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're an entrepreneur, employee, or freelancer, the ability to adapt to new tools will set you apart in a rapidly changing landscape. Invest in your own AI education, watch tutorials, attend webinars, or experiment with new AI tools to ensure you're making the most of its potential without losing your human edge. To understand how AI affects human decision-making, the researchers didn't just theorize, they ran some real-world experiments. They focused on a concept called human-AI collaboration and wanted to see how AI advice impacts human choices, especially when the task is a bit complex. Here's what they did. They designed several experiments where people had to make decisions with the help of AI. In these tasks, participants received advice from an AI system, but the trick was that the AI wasn't always right. The researchers measured how often people followed the AI's suggestions and how it influenced the uniqueness of their decisions. They also set up different scenarios where participants got more or less information about how confident the AI was in its advice. This allowed the researchers to see whether knowing the AI's confidence helped people make better decisions. Additionally, the study wasn't just about individual decision-making. They also looked at how this dynamic plays out in group settings, where multiple people use AI to make collective decisions. They wanted to see if AI would help or hurt when groups of people had to come to a consensus. In the end, the researchers discovered that while AI can improve accuracy, there's a catch. It can also make people's decisions more similar to each other, reducing the benefits of diverse thinking. They tested different ways to fix this, like personalizing AI advice for each user, and found that some solutions can help people maintain their unique perspective while still benefiting from AI.